Welcome to Tireside Chats, our brand new and exciting YouTube channel all about vintage trailers. I am your host and founder of Heintz Design's Vintage Trailer Restorations, Tim Heintz. Tireside Chats will encompass an array of topics relating to vintage trailers, from the history of traveling in trailers, specific brand history, vintage trailer safety, towing advice, general upkeep on your vintage trailer, video tours and interviews at various rallies across the country, tours of my private trailers, walkthrough of trailers in progress here at our shop, and restoration and repair tips. So feel free to comment below each episode with any questions you want us to address, even if you have a trailer you're trying to ID or just want to know more information about it. Let us know and we may just feature your question and trailer on our episode. So be sure to please subscribe below and tell all your vintage trailer friends about Tireside Chats. Thank you.